Hello everyone, my name is Yige. In this video, I will share what I did and learned in the second half of my 2021 spring semester in the English 117 course. Compared to the first half of the semester, our focus switched to two other online media types, app and vertical video. Honestly, I never did anything related to those two assignments before, but I did enjoy working on the two assignments. Learning new Adobe tools are not hard, but compared to the first two assignments, I think more creativity is required for composing your own app and vertical video. I'm not that creative, so thinking about topics and deciding the contents, the argumentation, and the theme of the assignments becomes a challenge for me. The first assignment is the app argument project. The main focus is not about the app, but about the argument. The app is just a way to show your argument. In one previous homework, I was asked to write down two app argument ideas. I had some interesting ideas about some colorful apps, but I forgot it needs to be a solid argument. Finally, my topic is about internet security since my laptop has been just hacked 2 days before I started doing the assignment. Also, I do not want to pick some odd topics because it caused me some trouble in the first half of the semester. The topic is common actually and may not stand out from many apps, but I tried to add some interesting part into the app. I let the users experience some common strategies used by hackers in this app. It is like a rehearsal. I think this just telling them do not click on some links because you think you want something may not be useful. I created an inviting link, and if you clicked on that link, your hacked picture will show on your screen. I think this is more memorizable. Those experiences can be the best evidence to support how easily your careless behavior can make your computer be hacked. In my mind, this argument is solid, and I think there is my creativity inside this assignment. For the technical perspective, Adobe XD is easy to get started, but there are some functions I cannot find a way to achieve. For example, I was planning to make my app run into different pages based on different actions of the users. So there can be a decision tree, and the app will have several different endings. But I did not find the option to do this until now. Also, I find GIF format images cannot play on Adobe XD. I was worried that I would make my app ugly because I am not good at design. But by using the web color palettes following the instruction, my app becomes nice and constant, at least in my mind. Designers have already prepared a series colors that can easily beautify a beginner's design. For the revision part, I just fixed the grammar mistakes and some wording choices. The second assignment is the vertical video. In my daily life, short vertical video is common on Instagram or on TikTok. This is the first time I made one vertical video. Similar to the audio essay assignment, what I need to learn first is the difference between a horizontal video and a vertical video. There's the reading help us to understand the characteristics of the vertical videos, and the homework asking us to find a successful vertical video. In my understanding, vertical video is more fast-paced and straightforward. It needs to catch people's eyes at the first glance, and it relies less on the sound, but more on the subtitles, images, or the video itself. I made one video introducing World Animal Protection Organization. I used some materials from the 2020 annual video from the organization and some images I found, introducing the propositions of World Animal Protection. The making process is smooth, following what I learned in class. The thing I want to specially talk is about one image choice. In the revision process, I found some images that I have chosen is not that satisfiable for the audience to understand the scene. I put a funny monkey selfie and added the text "Follow the wildlife selfie code." This selfie is a popular meme on the internet, and there's a story behind that. The monkey selfie copyright dispute. This dispute is not at all about wildlife selfie code, but it is closely related. I did a lot of research about my video content and think this selfie is related to the content because I know the story behind it. But I did not realize my audience may not know the background. I'm not able to illustrate the background in my short video, and my audience will not be able to understand the image and get confused. After this lesson, I know I need to always stand on the audience perspective to improve my work. I have all the background information since I did enough research, but I need to either explain the background or assume my audience have no background. In conclusion, I think I learned a lot about new tools, new media types, and some new tips in this period.